name is Mauladhana Riskyyanto. You can call me Risky or Dana. There are so many equipment is used by electrical engineering. The equipment like multimeter, plier ampere, and pliers, and then LCR meter, and then galvanometer, and many others. But I will explain to you focus about multimeter. I will explain to you for your knowledge about part of multimeter. You can see, yes, this is display, and there are selector, and there are three holes. These three holes, the name is connector, and this is probe cable. There are two probe cable. First cable, the color is red. The second probe cable, the color is black. Okay, now I will explain to you about the function of some parts of multimeter. First, you can see display. Yes, this is display of multimeter. This display is used to show about value of object when we will measure it. And this is selector. The selector is used to select about parameter what we want to measure it. And there are three connectors. And first, this is about COM. Usually electrical engineering call it for negative polarity, and this is used to connector with black probe cable. Okay, and then second hole or second connector, this is used to measure voltage and then resistance. Next, the third hole or the third connector. This connector is used to connect multimeter and red cable or red probe cable. This is used for measuring about current, just current, yes. And then this probe, there are two probes. This probe is used to connect multimeter to object what we will measure it. Okay, I will explain to you how to operate multimeter. First, into black probes to COM connector. This is COM connector for neutral or negative polarity, like this. And then into red probes to second hole or second connector or third connector, suitable what parameter when you measure some object, like this. And then I will explain to you how to measure some object. Explain to you about some object what I will measure it. First, there are resistor. I will measure about this resistance, and then there are lamp LED. I will check what the lamp LED is can use or not. Okay. third object is about battery. I will measure about this current and this voltage, and this is a PCB, and there are some components like this, and I will check what the track is connect or not. Okay, first I will measure about the resistance of resistor. Okay, first select selector of multimeter to resistance. Okay, like this, and you can choose some limit of multimeter. Second, pass the red probe on one foot of resistor and pass the black probe on second foot of resistor, and then you can see the value of resistance of resistor. The resistance of resistor is 0.95. Okay, finish. Next, I will check what the lamp LED is used be better or not. Okay, I will check it, but you must select the selector of multimeter to symbol of LED. Okay, first pass the black probe to negative polarity of lamp LED, and then pass the red probe to positive polarity, and you can see this lamp LED is light, and this means this LED can use be better. Okay, the third object about battery, I will measure about voltage and current about battery. First, I will measure about voltage of battery. First, select the selector to voltage parameter, and this voltage is DC because this is battery. Okay, I will choose the limit is 20. Okay, I will measure this voltage. Pass the red probe to positive polarity of battery like this. Okay, and then pass the black probes to negative polarity of battery, and you can see how voltage of battery. Okay, the value is 7.90 volt. Okay, and then I will check about how to current of battery, and my object is resistor, and the first foot of resistor I will connect with positive polarity of battery, and second change selector of multimeter to current parameter. Okay, like this, you can see current parameter, and then change red probe to third hole because the third hole is used to measure about current, and then pass the positive or red probe to resistor or second foot of resistor, and then pass the black probes to negative polarity of battery like this, and you can see the value current of resistor. The current 3 point, okay, with 3.40 milliamperes. Okay, welcome to my channel. For the first time, I make video about how to operate multimeter. So this is tutorial is so simple, but if you don't use multimeter be better, you can get hazard about multimeter, so you must prevent it right now. Finally, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe, like, and comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.